The DJI Mini 5 Pro is making waves with exciting new upgrades, and the latest leaks are revealing just how much this drone will raise the bar. First up, the drone will feature two LiDAR sensors positioned between the front optical sensors, just like the Air 3S. These new sensors will significantly enhance obstacle avoidance, especially in low-light conditions, and enable the drone to detect even thinner objects like tree branches. This means the Mini 5 Pro will have even better autonomous flight modes and active tracking, bringing it closer to the performance of high-end drones. The camera is also set for a major upgrade. Although exact details are still under wraps, leaks suggest a larger sensor and a completely revamped gimbal module, which has a different design and mounting points than the Mini 3 and 4. While we don't know the exact camera specs yet, this design overhaul indicates that the camera performance will likely be improved. Another exciting update comes in the form of stronger motors. The motors will feature a new design with added vents, making the drone more wind-resistant and capable of higher speeds and better maneuverability. As for when we can expect the DJI Mini 5 Pro to hit the market, all signs point to a release in summer 2025. With plenty of time before its launch, you can bet there will be more leaks and updates along the way. Stay tuned, as the DJI Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be one of the most exciting drones in the Mini series. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is creating a buzz in the drone world with some exciting new upgrades that will surely impress both new and experienced drone enthusiasts. The latest leaks are giving us a glimpse of just how much this new drone will outperform its predecessors. One of the most notable changes is the addition of two LiDAR sensors, positioned between the front optical sensors. These sensors, which are similar to those on the Air 3S, greatly enhance the drone's obstacle avoidance capabilities. They will not only help the drone avoid large objects, but will also allow it to detect smaller, thinner obstacles, such as tree branches. This upgrade will make flight smoother and safer, especially in tricky environments, and it will enable more precise active tracking and autonomous flight modes, bringing the Mini series closer to high-end drones in terms of performance. The camera of the Mini 5 Pro is also set to see significant improvements. The leaked images show a larger sensor and a completely redesigned gimbal module with new mounting points, differentiating it from the Mini 3 and 4. While the exact sensor details are still under wraps, the redesigned gimbal hints at better camera stability and smoother footage. This is great news for anyone who loves to capture stunning aerial views or fast-moving action shots, as the Mini 5 Pro is expected to deliver superior image quality. In terms of motors, the Mini 5 Pro is receiving some upgrades that will improve its overall flight performance. The new motors will feature a unique design with added vents, which will help make the drone more wind-resistant and allow for higher speeds and better maneuverability. Whether you're flying in calm weather or facing windier conditions, this improved motor design will ensure a more stable and dynamic flight experience. As for the release date, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to launch in summer 2025, which gives us plenty of time for more leaks and updates to surface. This anticipation is building as we wait for the full specifications and price details, but one thing is clear: this new drone will be worth the wait. Keep an eye out for more updates as we get closer to the official release, and get ready to experience a whole new level of drone technology with the DJI Mini 5 Pro.